Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'll show you a way. Making antennas is extremely simple at home. Have you ever tried making an antenna on my channel? Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments. I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Once we've prepared the magnet and the two blades, next, let's prepare two copper wires and wrap them in a shape. Hats like this. Cut off the excess. Let's continue with the rest. Let's fix it. Copper wire on the lamb knife. It's the same with this copper wire. Let's get a charging cable and cut off the charging head. To get the two wires inside, lighter, peel the outside. We'll take the copper core inside. Now, let's wrap the copper core in. Knife lamp. Now, find a piece of wood to be the sole. Use glue gun. Put that magnet in. Let's make our antennas more secure. Next, let's take power cord to connect the antenna to the television. We will also peel off the outer layer and use the copper core on the inside. Use electrical tape to wrap it. You do this very carefully. Use insulating tape to wrap it again. We're done. And let's do this experiment together. My TV turns on. It had no waves. Now let's connect this antenna to the television. Make sure the connection is secure. The TV is up. Let's explore more new channels. Do you find this incredible? It's a very simple trick, but it's so effective that anyone can do it. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.